Daily Bread 28. 28 is Friday, payday, hopefully for a lot of people. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired. I was up till midnight waiting for that album to drop. And I know y'all are probably like, dude, this kid is like obsessed with this album. But I've been waiting for years for this album to come out. So it finally came out. Been listening to it all night, all morning. Didn't sleep much last night, but I mean, I'm just, you know, something to keep the spirits up. That's one of the most important things about, you know, making sure you can wake up every day and make the best of every day, is finding any excuse to be positive and, you know, have something to keep you going, you know? So today, hopefully, we're gonna find out about that back seat, and we're gonna hopefully, I've got a couple ideas. Some people have been commenting some cool stuff. So stay tuned. I'm gonna talk with my coworkers and see what we can figure out. Wow, that is slippery. That's got a lot of unknown liquid on it. Hey, remember that actuator that I was talking about yesterday? I might have just broke it. All right, hold on. We're gonna spend most of the day trying to figure out what to do with the back seat in the back of this car. We've got a lot of different suggestions. Yeah, truck, sorry. This is weird. Bolt it to the back of the truck, bolt it in the back of the truck, bolt it to the trailer hitch or something like that. Put wheels on it, pull it behind Jake's truck. We got a bunch of different options. Before we really dive into, before we really dive into what we're gonna do with it, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I risk my life and die today and pull it behind the truck, or should we just bolt it to the back and drive it down 41? Or I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna sit here in this engine bay for a little bit and try to figure out what's on fire. Something's smoking down there. That's not good. Smell that? Something is burning. Something's burning right now. What is burning? What'd you do? What'd you do? Oh. I got a sensor hooked to me. Did he set me on fire?
They threw a firecracker on anything. It didn't blow up on you.
Thank God. That would have scared the hell out of me. Jake.
All of them are the same, aren't they?
Woo!
Yeah. I think that's a chicken.
I love like chicken.
Yeah.
With some sausage.
Went to the Bojangles. We didn't get as much this time as we did last time.
What did I get for across the street?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Still $38.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro.
Good.
Yes. Y'all aren't ready for this. We eat good. Everybody eats. Halfway through so we got the back two seats out here. My seat's out of the back there, which I will show you in a minute. That's really bright, wow. And then the two front seats here are going in the truck out there. So that's our project at the moment. We're trying not to explode the airbags in the front, but that would be really cool. I mean, it's not gonna hurt anybody if it does, because it's up front. So I'd rather not though. Let's not do that.
You went up my shirt.
Can I get that one more time?
you gotta like look away just in case you don't want the embarrassment.
Alright. Did you hear that pop?
That would be me.
And my buddy like went to go put his arm around this girl, and she took it off.
Oh.
He got up and left, like walked home.
Oh, shit. You gotta keep trying, bro.
Guys, these are the famous bench seats. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but they are out of the truck.
Pretty clean.
That one's got a wet spot now.
Buckle
Sorry.
your fucking seatbelt.
It's got a wet spot.
Sorry.
What should we do with these? Oh shit. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do?
Oh, you're gonna break it.
It's got wheels on it.
Buckle in.
We got it.
Oh! Oh else had it.
Come on, keep trying. You need more weight on your feet.
Yeah, this is a great view, huh? Well, welcome to the Daily Bread, guys. Where
There you go.
Can I get a review of the seat?
10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10. Buckle your damn seatbelt. Wherever it went.
This guy's got a 6-door Suburban and a lifted fucking Camaro. They really
Alright.
make them though.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Snowy. Yeah, that's gonna be right.
No, no.
I didn't get a motor for mine, but her dad just bought me.
This video is going to be nothing but me getting pushed over on the chair.
What else I got? I need more effort out of you.
Here's your motivation. Cut, redo. Nope. Into the truck we go. You're coming home with me.
I'm telling you, bolted up right there. That's what you need to do.
Into the truck. Well, it's official. Seats are coming home. Again, I have no idea what we're gonna do with them, but that's for you guys to decide. Well, I got in my truck to leave work and birds have absolutely covered my truck. I'm not parking under that tree anymore. It's bad. Like the windshield is bad. I cleaned it off as much as I could, but the windshield, it's bad. And I just dropped off the seats at Alex's because I don't think Christina's gonna let me keep them at the house. And I don't want to put them outside on our back porch because that's just, I don't want to get them all messed up. I haven't decided again what I'm doing with those yet, but that's kind of how the afternoon has gone. If all works out, we're heading out of town tomorrow. We're going into Alabama because we are going to add a new member to the family, potentially. No spoilers, but stay tuned. Potentially exploring a new city tomorrow. That should be a fun vlog for the day. And I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. It's been a heck of a day. I'm really excited. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those seats, but I think we need to do something fun with those seats, something interesting on the channel to, you know, keep the spirits up during quarantine. Day number 28, where Monday will be, 29, 30, 31. If we consider that a month is 31 days, Monday will be a full month of daily vlogging. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. I never thought we'd even come close to that. So, wow, I'm so, thank you guys for, sticking with me on this journey. The views have been pretty good, the engagement's good. You guys seem to like the videos, and I'm happy that I can help you guys and help myself through this tough time that is the quarantine, and then continue on past and do bigger, better things. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the road to undisclosed location. I hope you guys have a great Friday night. I will see you guys later. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.